Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen. Today I'm gonna show you another simple design bracelet using this stylish 925 sterling silver nugget beads. The beads are imported from Thailand and made by the local jewelry makers. Dimensions are approximately 3 by 2.5 mm, and then I will use natural Labradorite to match with them. This bracelet is a beaded design. You can customize it according to yourself or your customer's needs to make it into elastic, braided, or clasp style. Let's make it a braided style today. I will use 0.8 mm black braided cord, non-elastic, and 6 mm natural Labradorite round beads, and the silver nugget, and of course the wrist gauge to measure the wrist size of 6.5 inches. Prepare the braided cord about 15 inches long, and then burn the cord to make the needle on each side. You just need to make it steady and slowly. Perfect. Then I will start threading the beads from the middle. But first, I need to pick out the beads with nice flashes. One Labradorite and 2 nuggets, and 1 Labradorite, 2 nuggets. You can make different sections according to your own design. I made it like this so that the whole design can be seen at the wrist, and then the rest of the bracelet would be all Labradorite beads. Okay, now make sure all the beads are in the right position, and then tie a knot on both sides. And this side. .5 inches resize. Now let's make the macrame knot. Many subscribers don't know how to make this knot. You can click the suggested video above. Right now we can measure the wrist size again, and it looks perfect. Cut the cord and leave it a little bit, and then burn. Press. Same here. Burn. Press. Now leave about 2 inches for the adjustable cord. tie a knot on both sides. Make sure it's even. Cut and burn. Same here. And it's done. With this design, you can use amethyst or aquamarine to make it. I believe the bracelet will look stunning. This is why I like DIY jewelry. Creative, and it can be easy making. And I have to introduce you our new inventory 6mm aquamarine strands. Limited edition because they are very rare. Look at the color and their beautiful flashes. Some of them have the cat's eye effect. Very pretty, right? Check it out at my store, DIYnotion.com. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.